Today, we're uncovering the deepest, darkest fears of a narcissist, the hidden secret of what scares them the most. You might think you know what narcissists are scared of, but we're about to expose the truth. Now, we all know that narcissists have an inflated sense of self-importance, a deep need for attention, and a lack of empathy. But beneath that arrogance lies a fragile psyche with a crippling fear. To most people, they appear completely fearless, almost invincible in their strength and confidence. But in reality, narcissists aren't as bulletproof as they might seem. That carefully constructed facade they hide behind serves one real purpose, and that's to protect them from their greatest fear. But what exactly is it that they are so afraid of? Well, it's not what you might think. And our first clue comes from studying narcissistic behavior. Research on narcissists highlights a tricky relationship pattern. Studies show that they push people away who get too close, but react aggressively when rejected themselves, which means they can't handle intimacy, but they also can't deal with being rejected. And if you've watched my video on the 4 stages of narcissistic abuse, then you will really understand this behavior. But the important thing to know now is this: that behavior, their need for admiration, and their lack of empathy are all defense mechanisms. These traits serve as a shield protecting them from their greatest fear, a fear that was formed in childhood. You see, narcissists aren't born, they're made. Their behavior stems from childhood experiences that left deep emotional scars. Imagine growing up in a home where love feels like a moving target. Your parents' affection isn't this constant, warm presence you feel. It's more like a reward you have to earn over and over. When you achieve something, you're showered with praise, but make a mistake and they tear you down and make you feel worthless. We all form a blueprint of the world when we're children. This blueprint is our understanding of how the world works and our place in it. The narcissist blueprint of the world works like this. For narcissists, their blueprint is that being ordinary or imperfect leads to pain and rejection, while success and perfection brings love and safety. So they develop a strategy, and that strategy is to always project an image of being superior and successful to protect themselves. But what are they really scared of? Many people think that they are scared of being exposed, afraid of someone seeing through their carefully crafted image of perfection. But that is not it. That's not quite the whole story, because what truly terrifies a narcissist goes deeper than just being seen for what they are. It's true that they have spent their entire lives since childhood building a facade, desperately trying to appear flawless and successful. But why? It's because deep down inside, they're scared of something much more painful. And I'm going to break that down for you right now. So pay close attention and follow the logic. They are terrified that if people see they aren't perfect, they'll be rejected. They'll be rejected just like their parents rejected them in childhood. But what that really means to them is this: if you are perfect, then you are loved and safe. If you are not perfect, then you are rejected. You are unworthy and unlovable, which really means being rejected confirms their deepest, most horrifying fear learned in childhood, that they are fundamentally unworthy of love and acceptance. This is what narcissists are truly scared of: being unworthy and unlovable at their core. Understanding that narcissists are driven by their blueprint created in childhood can change how we perceive and interact with them. But it does not excuse their behavior. It does provide insight into their actions and motivations. And what you might begin to realize is that all of our blueprints formed in childhood determine how you feel safe and loved. Now that you know narcissists are scared of being unworthy and unlovable. I'm curious, how does understanding their fear change your perspective? Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, make sure to check out Why Narcissists Hate to See You Happy and Can Narcissists Change? Remember to subscribe and like and share because it really helps me. Until next time, take care of yourselves.